Hello friends and welcome back to the Religion channel. So friends, today I will talk about BIOSTAR new Z890 Valkyrie Motherboard. So friend, BIOSTAR has announced a powerful Intel Z890 chipset. The Z890 Valkyrie is tuned to support up to 8000 plus OC MHz for blazing fast DDR5 memory across 4 DIMM slot, delivering an unmatched performance boost for gaming and AI application, and it boasts 3 PCIe 5.0 into 16 slot, perfect for the latest cutting-edge graphics card and ideal for impressive gaming and advanced content creation. With the innovative EZ design release, user can effortlessly remove the graphics card with just one click. And furthermore, the Z890 offer for SATA 3 and 1 PCI 5.0 M.2 and 5 PCI 4.0 M.2 slot, and ensuring lightning fast data access and superior expansion capabilities. And I/O panel including USB 4.0 Type-C port and 9 USB 3.2 Generation 2 port, providing seamless connectivity and optional for all your high-speed devices. And it includes two HDMI 2.1 port, DisplayPort 2.1 for breathtaking visual and delivering stunning image quality, and combined with the 87.1 channel high definition audio powered by Realtek ALC 1220 codec, and the Valkyrie transform and is set up into true entertainment powerhouse. And networking is equally top tier, featuring integrated 5 gigabit and 2.5 gigabit LAN port and supporting Wi-Fi 7. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.